Good morning guys, and in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and let me show you how to block a number. So at first open your phone dialer, then tap on more icon and select settings. Now go to block numbers at the top of the list and you can either block all calls from unknown numbers smoothly by tapping on the stop switcher, you can select some number from recents, you can pick some number from contacts, or you can enter some number manually by yourself and click on done to apply it. Tap on plus icon then, and that's it. So here you've got block numbers, and then whenever you want to remove some number or contact from your blacklist, tap on minus, and that is all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.